This is built in my garage.
Hello, we left our faraway place to see another faraway place that had the first rally of vintage charm on the wheels. It was a real blast from the past. I was amazed to see how minimal these cars were inside. Not like today cars, where they're full of wires and other things you cannot explain. Everything was beautifully simple. As we were wandering through, we found familiar faces that were previously in our videos. Hi Scott, he helped us install our septic system during the Christmas time. It is probably easy to guess that this is our champion. The owner said that it started like a hobby and then it became really serious.
Way around, and when it did, it made everything flush on this. So then I had to reshape that because the other one came around the fender, and then that piece is all cut in.
Then
I
you
made-
widen the
Yeah, I did
wing.
everything on this truck.
Wow.
This is built in my garage.
It's beautiful. You did a nice work.
Well, thank you. Yeah, and then that was maple tree, a slab of wood.
Yeah, I
from a
already
maple
seen.
tree.
Yes. You made that one
I
too.
made that too.
Oh.
That's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
And what engine has?
Ford 302.
So what's the difference between the original one and this?
Not a whole lot. It was called a Y block, and they just it's just early V8 technology. This is 1968 engine from a Mustang. But basically, the only difference was they had a tube that connected the exhaust from one side to the other, but it's really kind of the same engine. It's just a V8 engine. Just
Nice.
a little newer technology.
That's nice.
That's for gas.
Yeah. It's for gas.
Yeah, and you don't even have to take that cap off. It just pushes right in the middle there. And that's
Nice.
how you fill it.
That's nice.
It's beautiful.
I like the wood. Actually, that's the first thing I saw.
That's a reclaimed timber. So there was timbers that were bolted together for an excavator to sit on in a swamp. And that's where that wood came from.
Look at this color. Ooh, I need to hear that. The summer breeze was alive with the scent of polished leather and gasoline. As I mentioned, this was the first vintage show from the surrounding mountains, and probably there will be many more. The event was not just a display of steel color and chrome, it was a celebration of community and the fleeting joys of summer. After a hard working week, it was a good afternoon to spend between cars with good food and good music, a perfect way to cap off the summer. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't done so, please share and subscribe. See you next time.